How to trade options. To start trading, select Trade and Options in the top menu bar. Similar to futures, there are 3 different expiration periods of option contracts, namely weekly, bi-weekly, and quarterly. If you are a first-time options trader, you need to activate your options account. Click Activate Options Account. Complete a short quiz, then you are all set to begin. Here we will take the weekly options as example. Click Open the drop-down menu next to the contract name. Then you can choose to buy or sell a call or put option if the contract strike price is acceptable to you. Or you can click All Weekly to select from the list a contract with the best strike price to you. There is no limit in buying options. However, if you want to sell, you have to activate the short qualification and undergo an assessment. What's more, you have to meet either one of the following conditions. 1. Your option account liquidity is more than 1 BTC, or 2. Your option trading volume of the past 30 days is more than 10 BTC. To buy an option, for example, you can put 0.7 as a price and 1 as the amount. Then click Buy to place your order. As the face value of each BTC USD option contract is 0.1 BTC. You will need to pay 0.7 times 1 times 0.1, which equals 0.07 BTC when your order is filled. Let's say the strike price of BTC USD call options is 7,500 and expire date is November 29, 2019. You can choose to buy or sell the contract. When you are selling it, if your order price is higher than the market price, your order will be placed on the sell order book. Otherwise, your order will be clinched immediately. For a buy order, if the order price is lower than the market price, your order will be placed on the buy order book. Otherwise, your order will be filled immediately. All unfilled orders are displayed in the pending orders list where you can modify their sizes and price. After your order is filled, your positions will show in the open positions list. For example, if you have sold 210 contracts, the total contract number would be -210. On the contrary, if you bought 210 contracts, the number would be 210. Finally, if you want to close a position, you can choose to buy or sell it in the open positions list.